Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at another software engineering concept, ASGI, which is the future of Python web development. So ASGI actually represents a paradigm shift in how Python web applications handle connections. As their synchronous server gateway interface, it enables Python web servers to process multiple requests concurrently without blocking, unlocking new possibilities for real-time applications and enhanced performance. So we are going to understand the ASGI architecture. ASGI has three components: a scope dictionary with connection metadata, and also an async receive callable for clients, and an async send callable for server responses. Is an architecture that enables frameworks like Fast API and Django to support WebSockets and also concurrent processing while maintaining WSGI compatibility. So we'll look at the concurrent connections. It handles thousands of simultaneous connections without blocking, unlike WSGI's synchronous model. Also, on the grounds of protocol flexibility, it supports HTTP 1.1, HTTP 2 WebSockets and custom protocols through one interface. And lastly, the modern performance. It uses Python's async and await for efficient input-output operations, boosting throughput. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't understand anything, do well to post in the comment section. Let's move to the next video in the playlist.